Alright, so if you use Microsoft Launcher and you want to change your icons, like your app icons, here's what you need to do. So head over to the home screen and long press any empty space. Tap Launcher Settings. Tap Home Screen. Next, tap Icon Appearance. If you have never used an icon pack before, you can tap Download New Icon Pack. It should take you to the Play Store and you will get to see different apps that give you icon packs. So this is the one that I'm currently using. It's called Viral Icon Pack. It is free, so just install it to your device. You don't even have to open it. After installing it, head back to that option that I showed you earlier, then tap Icon Pack and then select it. So this is it over here, Viral. So tap it and it should change your icons. As you can see over here, now if I access my apps, you'll see that some of the icons have changed, like the Chrome browser has changed, ChatGPT has also changed, and so on. So that's how you use icon packs if you use Microsoft Launcher.